Welcome to a week's worth on a vlog. I have a very busy week ahead. I'm leaving for work tomorrow, so I'm meeting a friend today at a coffee shop, then another one going for a walk at this garden center. I am back to work, so I have two events I get to host. I'm planning out the other one, but the one figuring out. And then welcome to a week's worth in a vlog. I'm coming to you from my work trip. I've actually only had like a 4-day work trip. I get to go back tomorrow. I'm gonna be seeing some friends, doing some hiking, just kind of catching up with things. It's been a busy month, like flew by, a ton of things to kind of catch up on when I'm home normally, but this trip was successful, a lot slower than normal, but not bad. So I'll check in this week, show you what I